You can apply for IPOs through Sharekhan again, and this time placing an IPO order with Sharekhan is as easy as it gets. To apply for an IPO, log in to your Sharekhan website. Under the IPO and Other section, select from the list of active or upcoming IPOs. Fill in details such as your Demat account number, category of IPO, number of shares you wish to buy, cut-off price, your UPI ID, and read the terms and conditions and click on the submit button. Recheck the filled in details and click on the confirm order button. Once Sharekhan receives details about your bid, you will receive a request on your UPI application. Confirm the amount you wish to block and enter your UPI PIN to authorize the payment. You will soon receive a confirmation about the blocked bid amount. And there you go. Without any hassles of filling in paperwork or visiting branches, your IPO order will be placed. Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.